2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki V Strom 650. As of 2024, the Suzuki V Strom 650 emerges as a top-tier choice for beginners entering the realm of dual sport motorcycles, offering a perfect combination of versatility, approachable performance, and the renowned reliability that Suzuki is known for. The V Strom 650 serves as an ideal entry point for novice riders seeking a dual sport motorcycle that excels on both city streets and adventurous off-road trails. Powering the Suzuki V Strom 650 is a robust 645 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, V-twin engine, which strikes an optimal balance between power and manageable performance. Designed to deliver smooth and predictable power delivery, the V Strom 650 ensures that riders can confidently navigate diverse terrains, whether commuting through urban streets or exploring challenging off-road paths. This engine configuration provides a versatile riding experience, making it an excellent choice for those new to the dual sport genre. Design-wise, the V Strom 650 boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, reflecting its dual-purpose capabilities. The bike features an upright riding position, a comfortable seat, and a streamlined yet adventure-ready design, making it visually appealing while ensuring rider comfort during long journeys. The V Strom 650's design combines functionality with a contemporary style, making it an attractive option for riders who value both performance and aesthetics in a dual sport motorcycle. Comfort is a key consideration for dual sport riders, and the Suzuki V Strom 650 excels in this aspect with its ergonomic design. The bike's upright and relaxed riding position, adjustable windscreen, and ample legroom contribute to a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. Whether cruising on highways or tackling off-road trails, the V Strom 650 prioritizes rider comfort, allowing beginners to explore diverse terrains with ease. Handling is a standout feature of the V Strom 650, characterized by its stability and agility. The bike's lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and a well-balanced center of gravity contribute to precise control both on paved roads and off-road paths. Novice riders will appreciate the V Strom 650's user-friendly handling, allowing them to build confidence progressively while enjoying a stable and controlled ride in various riding conditions. Safety features are integrated into the V Strom 650, including a reliable braking system that provides ample stopping power. ABS is often available as an option, adding an extra layer of safety for riders seeking enhanced control, especially in diverse riding conditions. Affordability is a key factor contributing to the V Strom 650's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the dual sport segment without compromising on Suzuki's commitment to quality and durability. This makes the Suzuki V Strom 650 an attractive option for beginners seeking a reliable and versatile dual sport motorcycle that effortlessly transitions between on-road and off-road adventures. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki V Strom 650